Hey judges, it's Mike checking in with video one for the acne category. I'm here with Morgan. So Morgan and we just recently met a few weeks ago, talked about her skin concerns. I felt like she'd be a perfect candidate for this study. Morgan, I'll just have you tell the judges what you're experiencing with your skin and what you want to improve upon.
I've basically never had clear skin. I'm 35, still suffer from acne, cystic acne. So really looking for ways to improve overall tone, texture, and avoid breakouts as much as possible.
That's what's so frustrating about acne is it can kind of happen at any part in life. So you're like, what's going on? I
did not think I would be this age and still suffering from this affliction.
I have a very excessive but doable treatment plan that I feel very confident that we can see a big improvement in 8 weeks. We're going to see each other weekly. I'm going to prescribe you a home care routine that you'll do in between treatments. And then there will be some diet and lifestyle changes that we will make an effort to try and achieve as well that will really help from the inside out. I just want to give you guys a little background on Morgan. So her ethnic background is Ashkenazi Jewish. So going to treat her as a Fitzpatrick 3. She works in software development with 5 out of 5 stress. We know stress increases cortisol, so that will be a little bit of an opportunity that's easier said than done. Exercise is great, 4 to 5 days a week, focusing on weightlifting and cardio. Water intake, I wish I could be better. I may ask you for some tips. She carries her water bottle everywhere, drinking about 60 fluid ounces a day, so that's amazing. And then sleep, you get about the average 6 to 7 hours, so I don't think that's too much of an issue. But you did admit to an excessive intake of sugar and dairy, which can be a little bit problematic for acne-prone skin. So that will just be another opportunity for us while we're working on the study. But I'm very excited to work with you.
Likewise.
And see what we can achieve in these 8 weeks.
Thanks.
Thank you, Morgan. And thank you, judges. I'll keep you updated.